love your outfit. Very Siberian look.
Mama says I'm cold.
I think you're just handsome.
I'm shivering.
RVers, is there one thing that you bought, kind of an upgrade or modification for your rig, that you didn't initially think was going to be a big thing, that later on you found it almost indispensable? We did, and we're going to discuss that today. For those of us on the road, we found that so many of the places we stay, even some very nice places, have some very, how shall we say it, have very rough water.
Huh, that's some hard water.
In our sticks and bricks, all of them over the years, we've used water softeners because the well water out here, at least in the desert Southwest, tends to be quite hard. And other than keeping the system topped off with salt, it was just set and forget. The advantages are many. Cleaning is made easier. No residue, that's that limescale, and it removes iron as well. Which also means less spotting, better soap and skincare performances. Like I said, less residues, less mineral buildup in your appliances and plumbing and faucets. It also helped with a positive resale value to our home. Within a short time of getting out on the road, we began to notice that the water in the RV wasn't so smooth. And over longer periods of time, we felt almost a little itchy after using the regular water for bathing.
Not smooth, Jessica, not smooth.
So we started looking for something made just for the RV community. And wouldn't you know it, there are a lot of them. But when you dig a little deeper, they're all basically the same. A canister that holds the soft water beads, garden hose fittings on the top, and several sizes to choose from. The smaller ones require 1 box of salt to regen, and the larger took 2 boxes. Small got you a week or a week and a half, and the larger ones get you from 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4, before you have to regenerate. Some you unscrewed the top and poured the salt directly into the canister, and others had a pre-filter that you took the cartridge out of, then fill with salt, and then used it to regenerate the canister. The only other thing was to move the salt or salt water through the canister backwards, kind of in the out, slowly for 15 to 20 minutes on a trickle, then on high for 5 to 10 minutes, or until there's not a salt taste on the discharge hose. Then reconnect the lines in to in and out to out. We chose the larger system with a pre-filter, then added a Camco inline carbon filter at the bib and a post-carbon filter for the house filter. It is a simple process to regenerate. Here it is in a nutshell. It's a Pro+Aqua and came with some extra goodies like a neoprene cover, pre-filter, and kit for regeneration with instructions. And all of our hoses are fitted with quick releases, making hookup and teardown a breeze. Now, the quick releases we added later ourselves. We leave the canister in an old milk crate so it doesn't rattle around in the basement. It also makes it easier to take it in and out of the RV and gives a stable place for it to rest when it's outside. Yeah, it does make a big difference, and the salt is just the cheapest table salt we can find, 59 cents a box, and regen once a month. Just 2 boxes.
Smooth, real smooth.
At the time of this video, the manufacturer's retail price is $329.99, and it's plug and play. How's that go? Happy wife, happy life? Well, I prefer happy spouse, happy house. Thank you for watching OLT, our license to travel. Hope that this gives you a few good ideas for your rig. See you all next week. Please, travel safe.